guys, this is the Sunkuka Julienne vegetable peeler. So it has two sides, it's like a 2-in-1. You have your normal peeler and it is super sharp. And then on this side is the Julienne part, which kind of makes the shreds. So let me just show you how easy this is. I have a zucchini here. We'll just use the regular peeler first. So you can see it's so easy for getting the outside off. But if you want to just have long, it'd be easier if it was a little flatter. There we go. So if any of your recipes need a nice, long, thin cuts like that, or just peeling your vegetables, that side and it works fantastic, nice and sharp. I'll show how it is on the carrot as well. And then let me show you the Julienne side. So I have a lot of recipes and salads that call for shredded carrots, and I usually just buy the carrot shreds, but they just don't taste right because they're not fresh. They've been peeled for a long time. So this way I can get those carrot shreds so much easier. And on the zucchini, I'll show you. This actually works really great for if you want zucchini noodles. You can use this quickly to make a bunch of zucchini noodles. It's great for cucumbers as well. There you have it. And then it also has two little divots here that are great for anywhere on potatoes. If you're trying to get the bad spots out of potatoes, you can just easily get them out. And then when you go to clean it, I just spray it with soap. And then I have they provide this little tool for you, and you're just gonna clean it because you don't wanna get your fingers in there, obviously. So once it's soaped up, I just do that, let it dry on my drying mat, and then it's good to go for the next time. So if you're looking for a 2-in-1 peeler, your regular vegetable peeler and your Julienne peeler, this little gadget is a great option.